What we're going to be doing now is we are going to have Ripley, she goes through all of her things, and now instead of just having it end, we're going to have a surprise at the end. And the surprise at the end gets to be kind of your choice. But we're going to talk about a new block today. A new block we're talking about today is under our events, and it is called messages or broadcasting. So it says broadcast a message. Now we have, in order to do a message, I need at least 2 sprites. So I'm going to get my surprise. It can be a happy surprise, a funny surprise, a scary surprise, whatever you want it to be. But since we're underwater, I'm going to give it a shark. So I'm going to come over here to my shark, but I want it to be facing her. So I'm going to go to my costumes, and I'm just going to take each one of these, and I'm going to say flip, flip, flip. So that way you have it facing her, and I want it to be big, so I'm going to change it to be size 200. Okay, so now I'm going to have that shark show up, but I don't want it to show up from the beginning. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to say on the shark, I'm going to tell it to, on the flag, I want it to hide. Now eventually I'm going to want it to show back up, and this is where this new block called broadcasting is. I'm going to have Ripley send a message to the shark, and so I'm going to say broadcast message. So you always want to name these. So I'm going to name this shark. So now I'm going to say broadcast shark. Now she has sent a message. Actually, I want to put the broadcast shark on Ripley, not on the shark. So that's sometimes a mistake that you might make. So I'm going to say broadcast shark, and then I'm going to go to the shark, and now I'm going to say when I receive shark, it's going to show. So now if I click it, he's hidden, and if you'll wait just a second, you'll see that the shark is going to show back up here just now. Now that he's here, now I want it to make him look super scary. So I'm going to make him be a little bit bigger. And because this one has some costumes, I'm just going to put next costume, and I'm going to put that in a forever loop. And on the costumes, I don't really like this one. I just want these two. So I'm going to put this in not a forever loop. Let's just have it repeat 6 times. So, and then I want it to, so now when I hit play, she will go through her thing, and then at the end, there's going to be a surprise at the end of the thing. And the way we got the surprise is one character sent the message and the other character got the message. Oh, that needed debugged. Whenever you do a next costume and a repeat, a lot of times you'll need a small wait, and I'm just going to do a half of a second. So that is how you would do broadcasting. One character sends a message, the other character gets the message. And now this is a simple way to have a surprise in your code.